Yet again, a demonstration of the balance in Islam. Alhamdulillah. Next question. What is the ruling for drinking whilst a person may be standing in Islam?
There are no less than 6 hadith only in Sahih Muslim which forbid a Muslim from drinking while standing. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 3 in the book of drinks, hadith number 5017. The Prophet disapproved drinking while standing. Sahih Muslim, volume number 3, book of drinks, hadith number 5018. The Prophet forbade a person from drinking while standing. It's further mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 3, in the book of drinks, hadith number 5020. The Prophet warned from drinking while standing. It's also mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 3, in the book of drinks, hadith number 5022. The beloved Prophet said, none shall drink while standing. So all these hadith that disapprove of a person from drinking while standing. Immediately the next 5 hadith, Sahih Muslim, volume number 3, book of drinks, hadith number 5023 to 5027. The next 5 hadith say that the Prophet drank Zamzam water while standing. And also mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, in the book of Hajj, hadith number 1637. The beloved Prophet Muhammad, it says that he drank Zamzam water while standing. So based on these hadith, all the scholars agree that drinking while sitting is mustahab. And you can stand and drink only when you have Zamzam water. This is what some of the scholars, they have given the ruling. But there are various other hadiths which also show that besides Zamzam water, the Prophet even drank the normal water while standing. It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 7, in the book of drinks, hadith number 5615. It says that Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, he walked towards the courtyard of a mosque and he drank water while standing. And he said, I know that many people think it is disapproved, it's makruh, it's disliked for a person to drink while standing, but I've seen the Prophet drink while standing the way I'm drinking now. And further it's mentioned in the hadith of Musnad Ahmad, volume number 1, hadith number 797, which says that Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, that once he was drinking while standing and the people looked at him and they stared at him and he said that, why are you looking at me? I'm doing what the Prophet did. I drink while standing because I've seen the Prophet drink while standing. I also sit while drinking because I've seen the Prophet sit and drink. And it's mentioned in the hadith of Tirmidhi, hadith number 1881, that Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, he said that he, along with the Prophet, in the company of the Prophet, he many a time used to eat while walking and should drink while standing. So based on these hadith, we come to know, the majority of the scholars, they agree that sitting and drinking is mustahab, is the act which is preferred because it is a commandment of the Prophet. As I mentioned earlier, whenever a commandment and action of the Prophet contradicts, the commandment carries more weight because commandment is the normal ruling. An action, maybe there was a requirement, it was urgency, whatever it is. So the mustahab is to sit and drink. But because the Prophet even sometimes stood and drank, standing and drinking is also allowed, but comes in the category of makruh. That is, it is detestable, you will not get any punishment, but you can stand and drink because the Prophet also stood and drank. So as I mentioned earlier that it was a need, therefore standing and drinking is not haram. Some people have misconception that standing and drinking is haram. So it's not haram, it's makruh. It's preferred to sit and drink.